Hey, in this video I will try to repeat this effect called funny shrinking person in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, this video started in unusual format for me, something like a vlog lifestyle. I decided to do some experimenting. I come up with an interesting composition for a photo for this effect in my head. And now I'm going to the gym to make it a reality. I took with me all the necessary tools for it. Usually people go to the gym to work out, but not in my situation. Today I have other plans for this place. For creating this kind of photo, we will need tripod and a gym bro who can take picture of us. I think we will place here. For high quality editing, we will need to take two photos. The first photo is of me, and the second one is just a background. We will take them by using Adobe Lightroom application on iPhone 15 Pro. We have done the first photos, and now I'm on the way to the nearest place where I can edit them. For the great accident, I came to Starbucks. I don't know why. The first thing is to place myself comfortably and we can start processing. And now we can turn on the computer and open Adobe Photoshop. Drop our photos into the program. First, we need to synchronize the background of both photos. After matching the backgrounds together, let's start cutting our character from the background using the pen tool. Finalize the small details in our mask. In this effect, the most important thing is to copy the original size of the head, the foot, and the item in the hands of the character. For this, let's duplicate our layer using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J for each of them. In total, we have 5 elements: the body, the right foot, the left foot, the head, and the item in the hands. The body of our character should be reduced by 1/2 of the original size, which is what I will do now. Let's work concretely on our foot, leaving only the shoes in their original size and placing them under our reduced character's body. Let's work on the transition and the edge of the mask to make the foot look solid, and do the same with other foot. Let's go to the head, place it at the right level and work in detail on the transition and the edge of the mask, so that do not feel like another hand. In my opinion, perfect. How the most interesting thing, we cut out the item in detail with the palms of the hands, position the item at the right level, hidden the bottom layer. I will need to shorten the distance between the hands because the position of the hands is different. The main work is done, but the shadow is missing. I will make it simply for the size of our character. I will work on it a little bit for more realism, and at the end I will use camera filter to color and hide the defects. And now let's take a look at the before and after. This is how easy and simply this effect is to create in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. All the useful links you can find in the description below of this video.